Are you ready for this fall? I know I am, and this video is gonna get you on that fall spirit. Today I'm tackling 5 affordable DIY perfect for this autumn. Dollar Tree is carrying now some of these acrylic pieces by the crafty square. I took out the plastic and it looks almost like it's a piece of glass. So I have these stickers also from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be cutting some of them and I'm going to be creating a border. If you're planning on creating something similar, Dollar Tree has other stickers in case you cannot find this one. Now this one, all you do is take out that back section off, place it on the surface that you are working on and make sure that it's nice and lined up, because once you put it on the surface, it's going to peel off. You would not be able to adjust it. It's not forgiving. Now you rub and then all you have to do is just peel it. And if you see that the sticker is not in place, then just place the plastic back in place and rub a little more. But I'm going to do the same thing to all 4 corners. I have 2 borders done so far. Later on I'm going to come back and place the other 2. But in the meantime, I'm going to take this picture frame and I'm going to trace the inside. Once done, then I'm going to go ahead and cut that to size. And then of course this is peel and stick, so all I'm doing is peeling, sticking it right here on this acrylic, and then the picture frame I'm painting it with acrylic black paint and I'm only giving it 1 coat. So I put that frame to the side. Now I'm going to come back and do the same thing to the other 2 borders. The frame is now completely dry, so now with some hot glue, I'm going to be gluing it right on top of that acrylic piece. Isn't this adorable? But we're not done yet. I also have 3 leaves that I'm recycling it, but you can find them at Dollar Tree at the crafty square section. I am going to be placing plenty of hot glue right here, and I'm going to be placing both of these, one on each corner, and then I have a 3rd one, and I'll be placing that one in the center. This looks so pretty. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Here's the final review. I hope you enjoy it.
Peel and stick from Dollar Tree, and some stash supplies from you know me. Repurpose, reuse, make it brand new.
I love the fact that Dollar Tree still have these cylinder vases for $1.25, so I went and I grabbed me 2 of them. The first thing that I'm going to be doing is grabbing the same stickers and I'm going to be placing them right here in the bottom section. I'm also going to do the same thing to the top section as well. And because that 1 strip was not long enough, I'm adding a 2nd strip and I'm going to try to even it out as best as possible. And also Dollar Tree has so many different type of glassware. If you can't find this one or you think that it's too small or too big, you can always look around and pick something else. And like I said before, I am adding the 2nd strip up here, and because this also wasn't too long, I'm also adding a 2nd piece to the top section. I saw this beautiful floral arrangement on Pinterest and that's how I came up with this project. And my dear friends, I am participating of an open collaboration Autumn Inspiration, and this is being hosted every month by Loli D's Creations along with Kate Lady Red Crafting. And this month is Jackie Burns Creations. She's our guest host. The links directly to their channels along with a playlist, you'll be able to find it in my description box. Make sure to visit them and give them lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking, and let them know that I sent you. I also found some more rub-on stickers, and this is how it looks. It has a little pumpkin and 2 leaf rakes. I think that's what you call them. All I did was the same technique. Just place them wherever I thought it would look nice, rub and peel that plastic off. Now that this is done, I'm gonna come in with some white chalk paint and I'm gonna paint the entire inside and I'm gonna give it 2 coats. And look at how gorgeous this looks. I'm gonna add some floral in the inside and then this will be it. Let me know what you think about this second project.
Fun little projects you can try too. Thanks to Loli and Kate for this crafty vibe.
So this cutting board I've had laying around for a while. I'm gonna give it 1 entire coat with this acrylic black paint, and then once it's completely covered, I'm gonna be painting both sides. I'm gonna come in with white chalk paint, start distressing it, and I'm gonna give it 1 heavy coat, and I'm gonna do that to both of the sides as well.
Thanks to Loli and Kate for this crafty vibe. This playlist got that DIY tribe.
I'm gonna go ahead and put the cutting board to the side, and now I'm coming in with this welcome fall and I'm giving it 1 coat with white chalk paint as well. Guys, and I must tell you that for this video I did not purchase absolutely nothing. Everything that I had, I already had in my stash. And then these acorns, I purchased these at Dollar Tree last year. I'm not sure if you'll be able to find them this year, but I had them at, in my stash. And then welcome fall, that was also in my stash. Now with plenty of hot glue, I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it right above those acorns. Look at this beautiful ribbon. I'm gonna cut a piece, and with this ribbon I'm gonna create something to hang it up on the wall. And I'm just gonna, it's something really simple. I'm just gonna loop it through here and glue it with some hot glue, both of these pieces together, and then this is it. And as you can tell, that back section, which is indeed the front, it says gather, but of course nobody's gonna be able to see that because that's gonna be on my wall. I also have a thinner ribbon, black and white. I'm going to be putting a stripe right here in the bottom, and then this will be it, my dear friends. I hope you have enjoyed this third project. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I hope you enjoy it.
I made this cutting board to spark your flare, and if you like you see, hit subscribe and share.
Next project, I was inspired by Country Lily DIY's Decor. So let's go ahead and create something similar. Of course, I added my own twist. I purchased this at Michael. I think I've had this for probably a good 4 years and I've never knew how to even start decorating it. So yeah, let's go ahead and take this section out of here, and then I am going to be painting with this granite gray the inside of the tires and also the rims. I'm gonna move on and paint the tires in black. Off camera, I painted the light, the front light in gray, but now the rest of this little, I think this is a minivan, I'm gonna go ahead and paint it with the same black acrylic paint. I also have this stand, so I'm just gonna go ahead, place it right here, and then I'm going to come in and fill it in with granite gray acrylic paint. And just remember that if you're going to be creating something similar to this, the colors, if you don't like them, I mean, you could always use whatever colors matches your decor. This piece is gonna be for one of my girlfriends, and this is the colors that she requested. Once done, I lift it, and then this is how it looks. I'm going to be filling in those gaps and any imperfection. And of course, once I am done, I'm going to come in with the same paint and I'm going to start distressing this beautiful piece. And my dear friend, don't forget to visit that playlist down below along with these talented creators. They are so talented. When you go over their channel, make sure to let them know that I sent you. And here is the final review, my dear friends. I hope you enjoy this one.
This playlist got that DIY tribe.
For this next project, I have a bamboo cutting board from Dollar Tree and some of these bamboo sticks. I'm gonna go ahead and measure the bamboo sticks because I wanna do a frame but only in the inside of the cutting board. So once I measure it and cut all of them to size, then I'm gonna go ahead and start painting them. So I put those bamboo sticks to the side so they could dry, and then I'm coming back in with this cutting board, and I gave it one coat already off camera. I'm gonna give it another second coat. Once done, I'm gonna go ahead and start assembling all of this together. So I went in and I placed these bamboo sticks wherever I felt that it was going to look nice. So now it's time to go ahead and glue all 4 of them with some hot glue. And of course, once all of these are glued in together, I also have another acrylic piece from Dollar Tree, but this one is a lot smaller. I'm gonna go ahead and peel that section off, and look, it looks like if it was glass. It's a really pretty piece. So let's go ahead and paint this happy wall with black chalk paint. And once that is completely done and dry, of course, then we're gonna go ahead and assemble all of this together. I'll be working with some more of these transferable stickers, and I am going to be doing similar to what I did on the other project. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some of these strips, and I'll be placing them on all 4 corners. Look at how beautiful this looks. So now let's go ahead and start gluing this here with a little bit of hot glue on each corner, and only in the corner because I don't want this to show, because of course it is see-through. And then of course I'm going to go ahead and add some hot glue to this Hello Fall, and I'm going to be placing this right in the middle. So these little stickers, I'm going to be painting 4 of them, and once they are completely dry, I'm going to be placing them one on each corner, trying to disguise the hot glue. And with some hot glue, I'm going to go ahead and glue this little bow right up here. And then this is it, my dear friends. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts, and thank you so much for staying until the end of my video. I truly do appreciate every single one of you. Don't forget that playlist down below. And here is the final review, my dear friends. I hope you enjoy this one.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, it's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.